I'm still a fan even though it's salty.
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Leah. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Be sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay y'all, so I just got off of work and I need to go to the grocery store, like real bad. So I'm about to go in the house and clean out the fridge, and then I'm gonna clean out my mini fridge in my bedroom, and we're gonna head to the grocery store, y'all. I haven't been to Aldi's in forever, so I'm probably gonna go to Aldi's first and just see what all the miscellaneous stuff that they have. Like, I know for a fact that I need a new lunchbox. Okay, a lunchbox is a must, because when I'm at work, I'm always going to these fast food restaurants. It's like a lot of good restaurants in the area, and I be hitting them up. Okay, I be hitting them up. So one of the main restaurants that Starbucks, out of there, cause y'all getting outrageous. Okay, y'all getting outrageous. So we're gonna get us some coffee. We're gonna get us everything we need so that we won't have to make a stop, y'all. As far as the lunchbox, like I said, I'm gonna pack my lunch. I may even grab the kids lunch boxes, because I have been promising them lunch boxes so that they can take lunch to school. So we're gonna do that. When I get back, I'm probably gonna try to stock my mini fridge for y'all, get some content of me doing that. And also tomorrow we're having family dinner, y'all. It's so full. Ooh, I can't wait. I'm responsible for the banana pudding, baked chicken, and baked macaroni and cheese. So we gonna make that too. So it's a whole lot that's gonna be going on in this vlog. Y'all stay tuned. Let me get in here and clean this refrigerator out so we can hit the road. am back. I'm about to show y'all what I got from Sprouts. I went to Whole Foods as well, y'all, because it's Sprouts and it's like a Whole Foods. So yeah, one second. Okay, so I have these grapes. These are called teardrop grapes. It says natural, wow, non-GMO, and they just look like, they kind of look like jalapeno peppers to me. But when I tell y'all, these grapes are so delicious, they're so good. They were expensive, but they were good. And it was so many in here. Me and Noah we already started on them, and we like halfway through the bag. The bag was like double this. This it's watermelon, you know. It doesn't look the sweetest, but I really wanted some watermelon, and I'm only gonna put lemon on it anyway. So yeah, I picked this up. It's $11.69. I got cantaloupe. I'll be eating cantaloupe as well tonight. I got some spring water. I had 2 of these, and then I also love the key lime sparkling spring water. Oh, if it gets really cold, it tastes like a Sprite. I got some Poppies root beer. Poppy is what made me start drinking root beer. Like, I did not like root beer before I started drinking the root beer Poppies. They were so good. I got 2 jugs of purified water. I'm gonna have to put those in our little water dispenser in the fridge. And I got this from Aldi. I don't think I showed you guys. It's sparkling fresh apple cider. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna taste like sparkling apple juice. I can't wait to try that. Oh, I got another thing. Okay, y'all, I also got these mini apples. I don't know if y'all can tell, but they are mini. Let me open it so y'all can see. These are really dirty, so I'm gonna have to clean these apples. Look how small they are. This one is really tiny. This one is so tiny. They're just cute. I don't know, it just really got me. Look at this one. Now this one is too little. Yeah, these were expensive too. They were like $8.99. So yeah, they really fooled me with the little school bus and the welcome back to school. Yeah, I think that's what got me. But yeah, y'all, that is the little stuff that I did have. Now, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and make the banana pudding and just put this stuff in the fridge. I'm just gonna pop the watermelon and cantaloupe and grapes. You know, all the produce is going in the fridge, and then we're gonna make the banana pudding. Then we're gonna go stock the mini fridge. So let's start on the banana pudding.
real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. Teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying that in nature. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Little vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them.